Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Noise has recently launched one more smartwatch in the Colorfit Pro series, and it's the Colorfit Pro 4. And in today's video, we will do the unboxing and we'll show you the features of this smartwatch. So here is the box of the Colorfit Pro 4. In the front of the box we have the picture of the smartwatch, and here we have the model name Colorfit Pro 4, and it's the active smartwatch. At the back of the box we can see that this smartwatch is in the deep wine variant, and apart from that, it's available in lot of colors. And now about the main features, we get the 1.72-inch HD touchscreen, SpO2 monitoring, IP68 waterproof, 356 by 400 pixel resolution, digital crown, calls and SMS quick reply, Bluetooth calling, 100 plus sports modes, and you get the animated watch faces. And here we can see the companion app NoiseFit, which is available for both Android and iOS platform. The MRP on the box is Rs 5,999. However, the launch price of the Colorfit Pro 4 is 3,499, which is an introductory pricing. After that, the price will be increased. Now, let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we have this envelope, and here we have the welcome card, and here we have the warranty details. After that we get the user guide, which has a detailed info about the features of this smartwatch. And then we get these noise stickers. Then in the box we get this one more card, which has the info about the Bluetooth calling connection. And then finally, we have the smartwatch itself. And guys, I really find this deep wine variant beautiful, especially with this golden body. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box lastly, we have the charging cable, and this is how it connects at the back of the smartwatch. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Noise Colorfit Pro 4 is a budget Bluetooth calling smartwatch. But looking at the design and build quality, it doesn't look like a budget watch. The build quality is very good. I find the metallic finish case in this watch pretty good, and in the deep wine variant, it goes very well with the smartwatch. In terms of the overview, we have the 1.72-inch TFT LCD display with the 500 nits brightness, and you get the curved glass. And guys, for the very first time, Noise has introduced a 60Hz refresh rate display in a smartwatch. Looking at the right side of the watch, we have the crown button, which by the way is functional. At the back we have the sensors along with the charging points. And here we have the mic and a speaker for Bluetooth calling. So overall in terms of build quality and design, the Colorfit Pro 4 is a good looking watch, and the build quality is definitely very good. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So here it is on, and for pairing we need the app NoiseFit, and in the app just scan the QR code, and that's it. Now accept the request on the watch. And guys, immediately when we paired the watch with the phone, we got the firmware update. So we have started the update. So here we have the watch updated. Now let's go through the features. So this is the watch face, and guys, in this watch you can change the watch faces by just using the crown. And here we have the default watch faces. Swiping down from the top will show you the notification history, and swiping up from the bottom will show you the quick settings. And here we have the DND, find phone, brightness, battery saving mode, and the settings of the watch. You can swipe left or right on the watch face to access the quick apps. And here I find the touch response very good, and the 60Hz refresh rate feels amazing. To access the main menu, you need to press the crown button once, and you can scroll up and down by using the crown. And here as well, the 60Hz refresh rate makes the UI buttery smooth. In terms of the menu, first we have the noise health, and here we have the activity, where you can see your current day's fitness data. And then we have the heart rate, and guys, the heart rate detection in this watch is fast, and the data seems fairly accurate. After that we have the SpO2 monitoring, though it took some time, but the data seems accurate. After that in the menu we have the sleep, and here you can see your last night's sleep details. After that we have the breathe, by which you can do some breathing exercises. And then we have the stress monitoring, which will show you a score letting you know how stressed you are. Then in the main menu, we have the noise buzz, which has the calling function. And here we have the contacts, which you can sync through the app. And then we have the dial pad, by which you can make a new phone call. And after that, we have the call history. And about the performance, we will talk in a moment. After that in the menu, we have the clock. And here we have the alarm, timer with some preset timers, stopwatch, and then we have the world clock. After that in the menu, we have the workouts. And here we have the neatly categorized workouts. Then in the menu we have the sports records, which will show you the workout history. After that we have the reminders, which you can set through the app. And then we have the music, and with this you can control the music on your phone, and also you can increase or decrease the volume. Then in the menu we have the weather, and here you can see the current weather condition along with the weather forecast for the upcoming few days. And then we have the watch faces, stock and the flashlight. And then finally we have the settings. In the settings of the watch we have the brightness settings, and then we have the vibration settings. And then in the settings we have the wrist awake, which is the raise to wake feature. And guys, about the performance, it's very good and it's quite responsive. After that we have the screen on time, D&D, menu view, and then we have the auto sports detection. After that we have the usual power off, reset and the restart option. So that's all the features we have in the watch, and feature wise it's pretty good. The best thing which I like about this watch so far is the 60Hz refresh rate and also the crown functionality. In terms of the companion app NoiseFit, we have shown this app in our previous videos, and today we will cover just the main and the new features. So here we are on the home page and you can see your fitness data here. And then we have the watch face, and here you can set a custom watch face, and also here you will find 150 plus cloud based watch faces. And guys, in this smartwatch, you also get the animated watch face support. After that we have the settings, and here you can see the connected device on the top, and then below it, we have the notification and alerts, and here you can select the apps for which you want the notification on your watch. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. And guys, you can accept or reject the call or silent the notification. And also, in this smartwatch, you get the quick reply feature. And about the performance, it's very good. And to be honest, the Bluetooth calling experience in this watch is the best in this segment. And the other person on the call couldn't even feel that I was using a smartwatch for calling. Now, let me show you the app alert. And here as well, you get the quick reply feature, but unfortunately, we don't have the emoji support. Coming back to the settings, then we have the contacts which you can sync to your watch. Then we have the auto heart rate monitoring, Google Fit connectivity, rapid eye movement for better sleep tracking, and then we have the drink water reminder, camera shutter by which you can remotely control the camera of your phone. After that we have the find device which vibrates the watch, and then we have the reminders which you can add to your watch, and then finally we have the quick reply, and here you can edit or add the quick replies. So overall the Noise Colorfit Pro 4 is a budget Bluetooth calling smartwatch. Design and build quality wise it's very good, and we really find this color combination amazing. This smartwatch is really comfortable on the hand, and the straps of the smartwatch feel soft on the wrist. The fitness data is accurate and the sleep tracking is also accurate. The battery backup is also very good and it can easily last up to a week. The Bluetooth calling performance is the best we have seen in this price segment. And of course, how can I not talk about the 60Hz refresh rate? The performance of the display is good and the touch response is also very good. So in short, if you're looking for a Bluetooth calling smartwatch under Rs 3500 with good build quality and design, then we highly recommend you to check out the Noise Colorfit Pro 4. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Noise Colorfit Pro 4 smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.